Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. So today we are designing a simple practice drawing. So let's start. This is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly go to the new, then go to the part, select all the planes and click on show. Then select right plane and click on sketch. This is our sketch. We need to draw this. So we can draw this from the right. That's why we select the right plane. So we need to draw the line to sketch our object. So firstly select line and draw the profile like our sketch from the right side. So we created it. Now we give the dimension to it. That is 74 mm and the height as 12 mm. Similarly to the heighted portion as 12 mm and 74 mm length. Exit sketch. 125 mm extruded length. So go to the extrude boss, then select the extruded length as 125 mm and click on OK. Now we need to give the fillet to that edges. Select the fillet option and give the fillet as per R. Now we again move to our sketch. Now we need to draw the holes. So select face of that object. Then draw the circles, random circles, and give the dimension to that circles. That is 12 mm diameter. Select the distance from the circle center and the upper side face as 30 mm and the right side as 20 mm. Now we move to our next circle, which is at the left side of object. We need to draw the random circle. Go to the smart dimension and give the dimension from the center to right edge as 20 mm and the center to top edge as 30 mm and give the circle diameter as 12 mm. Click on OK. Then exit sketch. Go to the Extrude Cut and select through all. Click on OK. Now we can draw the circle at the top plane also. So draw the random circles and give the smart dimensions to it. So select the center of the circle and the left side of that circle and give the dimension as 15 mm. Similarly, select the center of the circle and give the bottom line dimension. And give the dimension as 15 mm and circle diameter as 15 mm. Similar to the second circle, give the diameter and the dimension from the center to right and center to top or the bottom side. Exit sketch, go to the extrude cut, select the length as to all and click on OK. Then we need to draw the backside ribs. So go to the top face of that object and go to the sketch. Then press F8 or Control 8. Then we need to draw the center line to mirror our object also and for reference also. Then go to the rectangle command and draw the random rectangle. Give the dimensions as 15 mm and length as 12 mm and give the dimension from the center line to the left edge as 10 mm and select whole sketch and select center line and give the mirror command. Click on OK, then exit sketch. Go to the feature, go to the extrude boss and select the extruded length as up to surface. Select that surface. Select the bottom surface. And click on OK. Now we need to draw the central rib only. So select right face of the object, or we need to draw the reference plane. So go to the reference geometry, select the plane. Firstly we need to measure our object, so that is 125 mm. So we can easily center the plane, or also can adjust the plane dimension. So give the direction as 125 mm divide by 2, so it can automatically adjust the center of the object. And click on OK. So we can also minus plane offset length at 6 mm. So we can also reduce the dimension of the plane or the offset length of the plane by 6 mm. So select the plane and click on sketch. Then draw the rib by using line command and give the dimension as 30 degree as per our sketch. And join the remaining lines. Trim the remaining portion of that lines. Then exit sketch. Then click on boss extrude. Change the direction and give the extruded length as 12 mm. Click on OK. And also we need to draw the chamfer to the rib and the top side. So go to the fillet and select the fillet length as 10 mm, which we need to convert it into 12 mm. Click on OK. this is our object. So our object is complete. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and like the video.